Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to log out from terminal on Linux. So, at the beginning of course we have to go into terminal, and right there I will create a new user to show you this on examples. So I will create sudo adduser and for example user. If you don't know how to add users on Linux, you can watch my video. I described in this video how to create user using two commands, adduser and user add. So if you are interested, you can go. But right now we have our new user and I will log into it. So I will type in su user and type in the password. And as you can see, right now I'm logged into the user, because the username right here has been changed. So how can I log out from there? You have two options. The first one is exit. So if I will type in exit, as you can see I logged out from this user, and if I will type in exit right there, I will log out completely from the terminal. So my terminal will close. As you can see, it is closed. I can go back here, and again I will maybe log in into the user account, and you have basically the two more options. The one option is logout, but logout will not work here because as you can see we have a bash error and it says that logout not login shell, use exit. So instead of logout, right there we have to use exit, but we can use logout, for example, in shells. So for example, if we are using SSH session, we can use logout in order to log out from that SSH session. So that's all about this logout command, and we have the third option. The third option is basically the same option as exit, but with using the keyboard shortcut. So if I will press Ctrl+D on my keyboard, I will log out from the user account, and again if I will press again Ctrl+D, I will log out from the terminal. Basically Ctrl+D is equivalent to typing in the exit command in terminal. It sends something what we called EOF signal. That means basically stands for end of file, and it closes the terminal session or log out from the user account. And this is basically all in this simple video. This is how you can log out from the terminal on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.